Hi everyone, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. On this channel we do a lot of crafts, DIYs, sewing tutorials and pattern drafting. Last time I uploaded a video on how to make a bucket bag. Today I'll be showing you how I made my sunny hat or beach hat. If you are new to this channel, why not join this beautiful family by hitting the subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you and I also encourage you to keep watching my videos. Let's dive into the video. The materials we are going to be needing are the fabric, the lining, the scissors, the measuring tape, the interfacing pins, my chalk. This fabric I have here is about 27.5 inches by 23.5 inches. So it's not really a perfect square. So first of all, we'll be getting our head circumference, and my head circumference is 23.5 inches. So it's just like cutting a full circle. 23.5 inches divided by 6.28, that's to get the full circle. So you're going to be having 3.74. So let's just say 3.7 inches. So we are going to be working with this measurement, 3.7 inches. So for us to continue, we'll fold our fabric into 4, like this, like this. So from here we'll be getting the top part of the hat and the brim with this folding. So look at the way I folded it. I folded into 2, then I later folded into 4. So you make sure you arrange it neatly. Like I said, it's not a perfect square. So from what we got, we'll be working with 3.7 inches. From this folded point, we'll be taking our measurement from there. 3.74 is somewhere here. I marked it, and I'm also going to do the same here. Then you can just do it in a form of circle, trying to draw a circle now. So this is what you have. Thereafter, you can use your curve ruler or use your free hand to connect the marks. After getting this part, which will serve as the top part of the hat, we are going to be getting the brim width. So we'll be working with the width of 7 inches. So just the way I marked here, I'm also going to mark 7 inches all the way to this place. I think I'll have to just hold it down with my pin to keep it firm. These are the 2 things we'll be needing. This is the brim of the hat, and this is the top part. We'll be needing the side. Don't forget I said the circumference of my head is 23.5 inches. So we'll also be cutting out a piece which is 23.5 inches. But in my case, I cut out 24 inches. The half on it is the sewing allowance. It's for the stitching. It's for the stitching. So yeah, I have cut out the piece. I have the piece here. This will serve as the side piece. So look at what I have here. This is 24 inches, like I told you. 23.5 is my actual head measurement, but this is for the sewing. So now I have 3 parts. I'm also going to cut out the lining. So let me cut out the lining of this measurement. I have cut out the lining. Actually, this hat could be reversible depending on what you use as your lining. You can do it a two-way um, DIY sunny hat. You can decide to bring this part out. You can decide to bring this part out, so it could be a reversible DIY hat depending on how you want it. But this is what I'm going to be using for my lining. The next thing now is to attach my interfacing. This is my interfacing. I'm going to be attaching it to the fabric. This is what I have after attaching the interfacing. So I also went ahead to give this piece a little ironing. So now we are going to proceed to sewing. But before doing that, it's good we pin it. It makes things easier. We are going to be facing the two right sides like this. But before then, try to get the midpoint. There's the midpoint. So that's where we are going to start. So you can start from anywhere on the top. So you just pin it down this way. Then start to go in a circular manner. By doing this, the sewing will be much more easier. Is what I have after sewing. So I'm going to be turning it to the right side. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to attach it to the brim. I'm going to be having something like this. So with the right side facing each other, you just again hold with pins. This is what I have after pinning the brim. So I had excess as you can see. So what I just did was to pleat it evenly. So I pleated it evenly. I'm going to also take it to my sewing machine now to sew it round. Here is what I have after sewing. This is what I have. So this is the pleat I talked about initially. I had an excess brim, so I had to pleat it. So this is how this place is. So the next thing I'll do is just to sew exactly the same. What I've done here, I'll do the same to the lining. I've just finished sewing the lining. Can you see? So this is how this looks. And this is the fabric. What we're going to do now is so the right sides facing each other. I'm going to be wearing this over this way. I'm going to take it to my machine, but before doing that, it's better you hold with pins. I'm going to sew this way till I get to this place. I'm going to leave here opened. So when I come back, I'll show you what to do thereafter. I have sewn it Like I said earlier, I left here open. I'm going to be turning inside out from here. While doing it, be careful. So this is what you're going to have after turning inside out. So you just arrange it. I'm going to take it to the iron now, to the pressing iron, to iron it flat. But before then, I'm going to ensure that everything is well set. So by ironing it, it will make it easier to sew down. I've just gone to iron it flat, so I folded in the raw edge. So I'm going to close it. After closing it, I'll go ahead to top stitch. I'll go around to top stitch it. I am done making this summer hat. You can see how beautiful it is. Very lovely. So neat. I want to appreciate you for watching this tutorial. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell to enable you to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Please like, comment and share my videos. See you next time. Bye.